step into the present and future, examining the unique challenges that leaders face in today's rapidly changing world. Get ready to tackle issues like globalization, diversity, ethical dilemmas, and the ever-evolving nature of work. The changing face of leadership. Leadership isn't what it used to be. The days of the all-knowing, all-powerful boss who ruled with an iron fist are fading away. Today's leaders need to be agile, adaptable, and collaborative. They need to navigate a complex landscape of social, economic, and technological changes, all while maintaining a strong ethical compass. So, what are some of the biggest challenges facing leaders in the 21st century? Let's discuss. Globalization. The world is your oyster and your competitor. Globalization has opened up a world of opportunities for businesses, but it has also created a host of new challenges for leaders. With operations spanning continents, leaders need to be culturally sensitive, able to navigate different legal and regulatory environments, and skilled at managing diverse teams. They also need to be mindful of the potential pitfalls of globalization, such as exploitation, inequality, and environmental degradation. Diversity and inclusion, a mosaic of talent. Today's workplaces are more diverse than ever before. People from different backgrounds, cultures, genders, and generations are coming together to collaborate and innovate. This diversity can be a tremendous asset, bringing fresh perspectives, new ideas, and a wider range of skills and experiences. But it also requires leaders to foster inclusive environments where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered to contribute their unique talents. Ethical dilemmas, navigating the moral compass. Leaders are constantly faced with ethical dilemmas, from balancing the needs of shareholders with the well-being of employees to making decisions that have a far-reaching social and environmental consequences. With the rise of social media and 24/7 news cycles, leaders are under great scrutiny than ever before. They need to be transparent, accountable, and committed to doing the right thing, even when it's difficult or unpopular. The changing nature of work, the rise of the gig economy. The traditional 9-to-5 job is becoming increasingly rare. More and more people are freelancing, working remotely, or participating in the gig economy. This shift has major implications for leadership. Leaders need to be able to manage virtual teams, foster collaboration across distances, and provide flexibility and autonomy to their employees. They also need to be mindful of the potential downside of the gig economy, such as job insecurity, lack of benefits, and the social isolation. Leading with purpose, a new imperative. In the face of these challenges, a new leadership paradigm is emerging, leading with purpose. Today's employees are looking for more than just a paycheck. They want to work for organizations that have a positive impact on the world and that align with their personal values. Leaders need to be able to articulate a compelling purpose, inspire their employees to get behind it, and create a culture that supports and reinforces this shared purpose. Leadership in the 21st century is a complex and demanding endeavor, but it's also incredibly rewarding. By embracing the challenges, cultivating new skills, and staying true to their values, leaders can make a real difference in the lives of their employees, their organizations, and the world around them. The world needs leaders who are not only competent but also compassionate, ethical, and committed to creating a better future for all. So, go forth and lead with purpose.